In this video, let's explore all the information you need for the 4-island tour in Krabi. We had booked the tour the evening before at a tourist information center. There are several in Nang. It cost us 1100 baht per person for a shared speedboat tour including hotel pickup and drop-off, lunch and national park fees. First, they gather us in this place by the pier where all the boats depart for different island tours including Phi, Hong Island and the 4-island tour. We are given our unique colored wristbands and led to the speedboat from where it's a 20-minute ride to reach our first destination, Koh Tup. The Tup Island has a beautiful beach line, blue sandy beaches, and you can even walk over to the adjacent island Koh Moor that you can see right in front via a sandbar path. However, since we had only about 45 minutes, we decided not to cross it. Next, we headed to Chicken Island. It's named after the peak that resembles a chicken head. Here we had about 20 to 25 minutes for snorkeling. Afterwards, we went on to the Poda Island for our lunch. The beach here is incredibly blue and serene, making it the perfect place to relax. There's also plenty of tree cover to sit under and enjoy the scenery. You can also find lots of benches to sit and a small stall to buy juice or ice cream. Each tour boat has a separate lunch spread. We had both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. The lunch was pretty delicious. Here we had about an hour and a half to eat, rest and soak in the beautiful surroundings. Sometimes they offer a 7-island tour which includes Koh Moor that was in front of Tup Island and the one you can see right in front here. If you're being charged significantly more for the 7-island tour, then it might not be worth it. Finally, we visited the Phra Nang Beach, located next to the Phra Nang Princess Cave. The boat drops you off at West Railey Beach and it's a short 5-minute walk to Phra Nang Beach. You can also visit this beach separately by taking a boat from Ao Nang Beach for about 200 baht round trip. In the Princess Cave shrine here, locals give these phallic offerings which is believed to increase fertility and prosperity. At Railey Beach, you also have rock climbing available which you can book on the spot or a day prior. But we couldn't do it then as it had some fixed timings of 11 am and 1 pm 2 batches. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes in my Thailand series. See you next time. Bye!